Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you what I have packed in my daughter's diaper bag for our trip. We are flying for the first time. She's 12 months old, and this is what I have included in her diaper bag for our trip. The diaper bag is a Kipling. It's Disco Lights, I think, or Disco something is the pattern. And this is the way that it looks. It has a flap, which we'll get into, and on each side, it has two of these flap pockets. I don't actually have anything in here due to what is on the other side inside of it. And this one, I just have a diaper, so I use these cloth diapers as bibs. And I just have that in one of the pockets. On the back, on the top, I have a CLIPA ring. I think that's how you say it. A CLIPA. And that just goes here. In the front pocket, oops. So in the front pocket here, I have her diapering needs. That way, if I need to change her on the plane, all I have to do is grab this. This is a fawn design pouch. And I'll zoom down so you can see what's in it. In here, I have 3 diapers, a changing pad that came with a diaper bag. I also have a booty pod, so it's just got some wipes in it. And then I also have some diaper bags, and then a toy for her to play with while I change her diaper. And that's all that's in here. Her diaper cream, rash cream would go in here as well, but it's already all packed into her essentials, so that way I can get it through security. And this just fits right into this pocket up front. On the inside of the bag, it's a zipper pocket. It also has this cinch right here. And in here I have snacks. In this pouch I have those little, we call them puffs, and then I have some goldfish, and then I also have some yogurt bites. That's all that's in here. I also have some more diapers just in case. And then I have a MEDI pod. I took all the medical stuff out of this, but just so you see it, it's first aid made fun. You can get them pretty much anywhere. In here I have baby mum-lums, as well as 2 cereal bars and strawberry banana, and that just keeps them nice and cozy. And then they fit right here on the side. I also have this little clip, oops, and this has her pacifier attached to it. She doesn't really do a pacifier unless she's teething, and she happens to be teething. She just only has 2 teeth on the bottom, and then she has 2 teeth on the top that just came in the last 2 days. And then these items just fit snugly right back in there, and you can cinch this up. And here in the top portion, we have her creams and stuff that we have to take out. So in here I have Johnson's head to toe baby wash, along with baby shampoo, baby lotion, and travel size versions. I have her Burt's Bees diaper cream, 50 SPF copper tone, and then I also have some, this is a generic diaper rash cream from Dollar Tree. And then I also have some Aquifer Advanced Therapy. And then her Tylenol and Motrin will also go in here in the morning, her travel versions. So that's what that's for. I have Steffi. That's what she's currently watching right now, is Doc McStuffins. I have her formula. She still has drinks formula. I'm taking ready-made bottles as well as formula. And this is just sitting on the right-hand side over here. So that's where that was. And I have everything else pretty much in pods. This pod is a $3 wet dry bag that I picked up from Target, and this has her clothes in it. This has a onesie, a shorts, and a shirt. So not a whole lot, just for one, couple hours worth of flying. And the rest of her clothes are in the carry-on. And this fits into this little slip pocket that's right here. Behind that, I have a JUJU Be Quick. And this is for her restaurant needs. I have a collapsible cup, which is just good to have. Even though this, of course, is too wide for her to drink out of, I can put water in it, put milk in it, and use a straw. I also have some more snacks in case she gets hungry and wants to eat before food arrives. And then I also have boogie wipes. These can be used for face and hands. I have disposable bibs. There are 6 in a pack, and I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. And then I have a regular bib that folds out and is reusable. I have a magic towel. It expands when it gets wet, and of course it's Doc McStuffins as well. And I have a couple of these, but it's just an in-case thing. I have a spoon, and her this is an Up and Up container filled with straws. And lastly, I have these placemats. This is from Walmart. They had them, and so I got a few of them. And then that way, it's by safety first. And you just put this down, and that way if you want to put her food right on top of it, you can put her food right on top of it. And all of that is in this one pod. That's what I call them, is pods. And that way I know when we're out eating or going to a restaurant, we are going to be gone for 5 days. My husband is not going with us. My mom is. So there will be 2 of us plus everybody else that we're meeting up with. And all of that fits perfectly into this JUJU Be. And it has a nice little handle on it. Then I also have this one, and it has just like essentials as far as an extra pair of socks, another towel, and then it also has her comb, nail clippers, as far as scissors, regular nail clippers, and nail files. So just a little simple. In the back of the bag here, you can kind of see, I have this pod, and this pod is from Walmart, and it just has things for her to play with. So another jewelry, some washi tape, one of these are, I don't remember who they're by. I picked it up at Toys R Us when they're going out of business. Teething thing, a box, again from the Dollar Tree, just for her to play with the box. And then she's got 2 figurines, Belle, and I think Cinderella. I can't remember. Yeah, Cinderella. And then some scrunchies, again, just for her to play with. And then these are just, can be stacked or played with. And that's her kind of activity pod. I don't know how she's going to be since she is only 1. She does not walk. We will see. We have never flown before. I've never flown with her, so this will be our first time flying, her first time flying. And then all that's in this little pouch with a handle on it. On the left-hand side here, I have a thermos, and this is the Thermos brand. And it has a spoon in the top that's unfoldable. And then it opens up and it keeps food either hot or cold. I plan on using it for hot. So I can warm up her dinner, and then it sits in very nicely into this mesh pocket. Again, like I said, we do have formula. I use the Playtex bottles, so I have drop-ins, 4 ounce and 8 ounce. And then over here, right here, you can see in this other pocket is this slim thermos. So by Simple Modern Thermos in the same stars pattern. And this is for water or anything that we might need. It's a really good size. It is 17 ounces. The things that are not currently in here are her bottles. So the 2 bottles we'll be taking, plus the nipples that we're going to be taking, because we're not going to take a lot of bottles. We're just going to take replacement nipples. And her medicine, she's currently taking Motrin and Tylenol due to her teething. And that's about it. That's really not in here. And then all of these things just fit back in here. In this back pocket, I forgot to mention, I also have a Aiden and A and Winnie the Pooh that fits in the back. And this is the really big ones. So this will fold out nicely if I need to cover her up, or, you know, if she gets a little chilly or just wants to be covered. And then this fits perfectly on top of that thermos. And her stuffy, and then her, this will probably get moved, but I kept it in here just so I knew that I wasn't missing it. And then that just buckles down. On the side here, I have the Kipling keychain that came with the bag. And then I've also put on a Build-A-Bear little bear as well for her to play with. And that is everything that is in her quote carry-on. This will be, you know, this is her diaper bag, but this is what I'm going to take for her onto the plane. I will also film what I'm going to take in my carry-on as well as my purse. And then I'll also give you a look at what is in our luggage. So stay tuned for those videos. Thank you.